Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Using the method of cylindrical shells, we know that we have 2 set equal to 1 plus y minus 2 squared because we have to find the intersection points for y. Those are going to be our 2 bounds, so we have to do this. So solve for y. Again, we're trying to get y equals. Once we have factored, we know we end up with our y as 1 and 3. Good, those are our 2 bounds. Now that we have this, we know that if r is y and the height is going to be 2 minus 1 plus y minus 2 squared, then we need to simplify the height also to make it easier to plug in. Otherwise, it's going to be really messy. So this is negative y squared plus 4y minus 3. Okay, good. That's something we can now put into the integral. Now remember, the formula for integral is 2 pi times bounds, which in this case is from 1 to 3, of 2 pi rh dy. Our 2 pi, as I said, is a constant, so we already put it out there. So rh dy, y times negative y squared plus 4y minus 3 dy. Okay? Now, when we integrate, we use the power method, which means we increase the exponent by 1, and then we divide by the new exponent. This is the easiest way to integrate. We know we have our bounds from 1 to 3, which means now we can actually plug in our bounds. We have 2 of them, which means we have to do top minus bottom, and neither of them are 0, which means we actually should plug in the bounds. Oftentimes when we have 0 as one of the bounds, it ends up being that 0 plugged in just gets 0, so we can neglect it. However, in this case we can't because we have 1 on the bottom, not 0, which means we actually have to plug it in and see what we get. We end up with 2 pi times 4 minus 4 thirds, which gives us 16 divided by 3 pi when you do the algebra.